Hello, I'm Robbie Tulip, and I thought I'd make a Christmas video of the stars. And this is the heavens as we see them from my home in Australia tonight, which is Christmas morning, Christmas Eve. And what we see here is the sun and the path of the sun in yellow through the constellations of the zodiac from Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, and that's Virgo off the end. Now, the path of the sun crosses the equator, and so this is the equator, and here we see the equatorial constellations, Sextans and Hydra, and Procyon in Canis Minor, Monoceros, which is not a very bright prominent one, but of course Orion is the great equatorial constellation with his three belt stars and his Betelgeuse and Rigel in the south. And further south we have Sirius, and I'll come back to point to the line from Sirius through Procyon to the path of the sun. The planets. This sky map starts on the 15th of July 2024, at the time when Mars and Uranus were conjunct right next to the Pleiades. And just moving into Taurus, Aldebaran, one of the four royal stars of the four corners of the heavens. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to start this moving. And so I'll click on start. And what we see now is the sun is moving into Cancer. We call it sidereal, which is the stars of Cancer, but actually in tropical astrology it's Leo. All of the signs are displaced by about 30 degrees. So the sun and the Venus moving forward. By this time we see that Mars has got past Jupiter. It caught up, was it Uranus? Here we're in September, and as Mars comes up into through Gemini, there's the moon going past. Mars is going to start going retrograde, and so Mars is slowing down in October, and by the time it gets to December, which will be another couple of seconds, in the constellation of Cancer, the Crab, it stops. And so here we see Mars stopping. Gemini, Jupiter has also gone backwards. That's known as retrograde motion. And what we see here, we've reached Christmas. And so Jupiter and Mars are both prominently going backwards in the sky. Jupiter at Christmas is on a line from the Hyades, the prominent V, which is the head of the bull, up in between the horns of the bull, and then it keeps on going back towards the Pleiades, while Mars has just reached the middle. This is its station forward in March, and it's just coming up to the bright pair, the twins, Pollux and Castor. So there's Castor and Pollux. So Mars continues on. Jupiter. Now, the reason why they go retrograde is that the Earth passes in between them and the Sun. So by the time they've started their forward motion, here's the Sun catching up to the outer planets again. This is now May, June 2025, and Mars continues on through Leo. I should mention Regulus, the bright star in Leo, which is the right on the path of the sun, the zodiac. So there we have it. This is continuing through to next July, so we've gone for 1 year, and I'll stop the motion here. And thank you for watching, and have a very happy Christmas and best wishes for the new year.